Hello, I'm Anna Stenport, Dean of the Franklin College of Arts and Sciences. As the University of Georgia continues to build on its excellence and vision for the future, Franklin College faculty, staff, and students give enduring shape to these efforts. There is tremendous energy across our campus and across the state, and I want to thank you for your work, your support of the university, and for being a part of the Franklin family. In just the past few months, we have celebrated renovations to campus landmarks central to our instructional mission, the newly reopened Holmes Hunter Academic Building, and the completion of the first phase of renovations to research facilities on Science and Ag Hill, where I'm speaking to you from today, mark significant steps to secure the promise of ambitious achievement at the heart of the UGA mission. In tandem with structural refinements to beloved campus buildings, our faculty are developing new courses and online degree programs that help expand the reach of the transformative UGA experience to every corner of the ever-growing campus commitment to excellence. A vision for academic innovation helps us build capacity across the arts and sciences. From libraries and performance spaces to laboratories, creative inquiry connects exceptional curiosity to impactful solutions that build a better world. The boundless energy of our students, staff, faculty, parents, alumni, and friends of the college provides the spark for this powerful momentum. Together, we're moving the university forward. I deeply appreciate the strength of your commitment to the future of Franklin and UGA. With warm wishes for a wonderful 2025, thank you.